Difference between retro and vintage. Retro and vintage are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct meanings, especially in fashion, design, and collectibles. Vintage refers to items that are genuinely old, typically at least 20 years old, and often specific to a certain time period or era. For example, a dress from the 1980s is considered vintage. These items are authentic and usually reflect the style, craftsmanship, and culture of their time. Vintage pieces often carry historical value and are sometimes considered collectibles. Retro, on the other hand, refers to new or modern items designed to imitate the styles of the past. A retro-style refrigerator might look like it's from the 1950s, but it's made with today's materials and technology. Retro is all about nostalgia and aesthetic inspiration rather than age. In summary, vintage is old and original and retro is new but inspired by the old. Knowing the difference helps you shop smarter, decorate better, and sound like a style pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.